Drowning is one of the 5 leading causes of death related to unintentional injury for people under 55 years of age. In the United States, drowning takes an average of 3,500 to 4,000 lives per year. Drowning can happen silently and quickly, sometimes in as little as 20 seconds. You can better protect yourself against drowning by learning to remain calm and think clearly in the water, becoming a strong swimmer, keeping your pool area clear of any tripping hazards, taking the time to exercise caution around the water, making sure that you are not alone when you are in or near the water. Do not wait until it is too late. Drowning is preventable.